Let's start the explanation. So, children, long time back, there was a little boy whose name was Eklavya. He was born in a poor family and his family lived away from Hastinapura. Children, Hastinapura is the name of a place, and if you have seen Mahabharata, then you must know it. And Hastinapura was the capital of the Kuru kings. So Eklavya and his family lived away from Hastinapura. Why? Because they were shunned by the society. Shunned means ignored or removed. Why they were ignored, why they were shunned? Because they belonged to a low caste. Children, in earlier times, people used to discriminate, means they do not treat everyone equally. Eklavya's mother always told him not to go near high born or high caste people because they belong to a low caste and they are not supposed to mix up with those high caste people. Now Eklavya was a small child. He could not understand this discrimination. He said, why this inequality? Why they are high born people and why we are low born people? Why we cannot go near them? So he asked his mother, why I cannot go there? But his mother had no answer. She could not make Eklavya understand. So she said, God had set these limits, means these boundaries. This inequality has been created by God. Now Eklavya thought that God has made all of us equal. We all are children of God. And he asked his mother why God made some people rich and high born and some people poor and low born and made them live outside the society. But even now, his mother had no answer to this question. And she said, these are the limits or boundaries that we cannot cross. Now, from that day onwards, Eklavya's aim was to understand the meaning of limit. He wanted to understand why there is discrimination of highborn and lowborn. So now one day Eklavya saw beautiful chariots. Chariots means two-wheel vehicles drawn by horses coming into the forest near his village. And then he saw some boys coming out of the chariots, and these boys were of Eklavya's age only. He was looking at them. In the end, he saw an old man coming out of the chariot. He had snowy white hair and he looked stern. Stern means strict. But at the same time, he was calm also. Just then, Eklavya's father came and told him that they are the Kuru prince and that man with white hair is their teacher, Drona. His father told him that the boy whom Guru Drona pat means to gently tap one's hand on a person or thing. So his father told Eklavya that the boy whom Drona patted is his favorite student Arjuna, and they all have come into the forest to practice archery. Children, what is archery? Archery is a kind of sports activity involving shooting arrows with the bow. So his father told, uh, Eklavya's father told him not to go near them because they are high-born people. Again, the boy felt bad. Eklavya felt very bad again hearing of discrimination.